Good morning, everyone. Back to town again. Bring the grass cutter because it doesn't work anymore. I need to replace the carburetor. There's the grass cutter there. Here we are. Here we are. And when we went to Tagbilaran, we bought one piece of carburetor to replace. Ouch. So this is
New carburetor. So that one, yeah, brand new.
So we're gonna stop here because we already have the parts, the shocks and the boots, because Kuya Nestor will be the one to change the shock and boots here. So this car will be stay here for I don't know how many days, because when we talked to the guy in Tagbilaran, the mechanics, he said that it takes 2 days to replace the boots. The shocks is not really, it won't take long, but the boots, so we did not make it in Tagbilaran to replace, but because it takes 2 days according to the guys, so we'll just Kuya Nestor can do it. So Philip, Dr. Kuya Nestor. So no more what do you call it one? Squeaky. I hope this one will be solved through the boots and shocks. Shocks. So we just finished repairing, meeting the guy who fixed the grass cutter. Then we bought a carburetor for the grass cutter, and now it's working. Then he replaced the spark plug too. So after that, it run, he start and running. So we'll see when we arrive at home. So maybe today we won't leave this car yet because we have the grass cutter with us here, as you can see that. So might be next day, because I think there's no room here to park the car. It's a full house. All kinds of fire truck. Yeah, our Kuya Nestor, he knows how to fix.
Monday, 9 o'clock.
What?
Monday, 9 o'clock.
Okay. So that's all the parts that he need, boots and shocks.
He said, will they fit? I said, I was told they were fit. I told them what they wanted. 16,000 a piece. Holy Jesus. And I said the pair cost us 5,000.
Yeah, that's very pricey. But that's original.
No, these aren't original. These
No,
are,
the first one in Mitsubishi.
but he said these aren't the original that are in here.
Oh my god. So no wonder he keep on
Where to? Where are we going?
I don't know.